Hi everyone, we are discussing the class 8th mathematics ICSE syllabus. The question is AB, BC and CD are the three consecutive sides of a regular polygon. If angle BAC is 20 degree, find its interior angle and its exterior angle. So they have given here the question is the three consecutive sides of a regular polygon. So you know what is polygon, and here the question is regular polygon. The regular polygon referred as which has equal sides and which has a equal interior angle and which has a equal exterior angle. So randomly if I will draw one diagram, if this is a regular polygon, we don't know how many sides do we have for this polygon, but if randomly if you are going to take this polygon, I'm not going to complete the polygon because we don't know number of sides, but we are going to write the name for this polygon, that is ABC, and also they have given the D. So let me write the three vertices of this polygon. So again we don't know about EF, whether we have EF and all or no. Just we will draw how much they have given. So what is the next? In the question they have given it is consecutive sides. So regular polygon means all the sides are equal. Just I will mark it. And next they have given the angle of BAC. So angle of BAC referred as this is the AC I have to join. So if you join this AC, you will come to know one thing. It is not the interior angle what they have given for us. It is the interior angle of a triangle of ABC, but it is not an interior angle of a polygon. The interior angle of a regular polygon is the whole angle B. This is the angle B, which is called as the interior angle of a polygon. And also if you want to get another interior angle, this is the interior angle. The whole angle is the interior angle A. But which angle they have mentioned for us is not the total interior angle of a polygon. Understand? So similarly, we are going to have the C angle. Complete angle is the interior angle of a polygon. But in a triangle, when we are going to come, this is not the interior angle of a polygon. It is the interior angle of a triangle. So just we will glance, we will understand. So what we require, what is the value we have to find? They have said each interior angle, if each interior angle referred as regular polygons interior angle, which means that we have to find this angle B. The angle B is the each interior angle. So how to find that B now? So to find that B, we can use this triangle what we have here. The triangle is ABC. So let us consider in triangle ABC. If you want, just you can make a note of it. So just it will be better if you draw a diagram again. So there will be no confusion in the uh, diagram because there will be a lot of angles are going to come. So angle B is this, and this is 20 degree, and the C angle we don't know. To find the B angle, obviously we require angle C. So what is the value of angle C now in a triangle ABC? So if you observe clearly, the triangle what we have obtained here is a isosceles triangle. So because there are two sides are equal, because it is a regular polygon in ABCD, you have mentioned here it is a regular polygon. Therefore, all the sides are equal. What is isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle means the two sides are going to be equal in a triangle, or else opposite angles are also going to be equal, which means that angle C, that is BCA, will be equals to the opposite to the equal side. One more is angle A, that is BAC. The angle BAC and BCA both are equal, and we know the angle BAC is 20 degree. Therefore, angle BCA also going to be 20 degree. So here we are going to get the second angle of this triangle. So obviously we can find the angle B. How to find the angle B now? You know the interior angle of a triangle, that is sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180. So if I add the angle BAC, that is angle A in this case, second angle is ABC, and the third angle is BCA. So if I add all the three angles, I will get the total as 180 degree. So if you substitute the value 20 degree plus angle ABC and angle BCA is 20 degree, because we know that here it is given. We found it already previously. So if you add all together, it must be 180. So angle ABC is going to be plus 20 plus 20 is 40. degree, that equals to 180 degree. So 40 you shift to the other side, it will become minus. So obviously 180 minus 40, 180 minus 40 is 140. So easy. We found the value of angle B. It is a complete angle B, which means that the angle B is 140. What it refer? It is not only the angle of a triangle, it is also the angle of a regular polygon. So 140 is actually a interior angle of polygon, and in a regular polygon, all the interior angles are equal. Therefore, the total angle is 140. Total angle I am talking about, and total angle of C is also 140 in a regular polygon. So we found the regular polygon's interior angle. So that is 140. Make a note of it. Second, we have to find the exterior angle. How to find the exterior angle? So you know that in a regular polygon, we can draw one line outside, and it is going to become a exterior angle. It is going to be exterior angle. So you know that if you observe this line, if it's continue, then what is the total angle obtained at B? Not I'm talking about the complete angle. I'm talking about this interior and exterior angle. If I add together, it is going to be 180 degree, because it's a linear pair. In that 140 degree, what we are finding is this outside angle. This is called exterior angle. Give one name if you want. That is P. You take the PBC. PBC is the exterior angle. So I can write down each interior angle plus each exterior angle of any regular polygon or any polygon. It may be regular, it may not be anything, but it must make 180 degree because it is a straight line. Okay, one more thing you remember, I have used the word each because it is common. All angles in a regular polygons are equal. Okay, so it is 140, 140. So anywhere you can take this exterior angle. Here also it will give the same thing. But if it is not regular polygon, then we are going to have one problem. All the angles will not be 140 degree if it is not regular. So it may be 140 one side, one more side it may be 100, one more side it may be 120. So it is regular they have given. So I use the word each. Each means all interior angles are equal. So each interior angle we know that it is 140. Just now we calculated, and exterior angle we don't know. So that is the angle I am talking about, PBC, that equals to then 180 degree. So obviously the PBC, the exterior angle, is going to be 180 minus 140. Directly you can say it, this 40 degree. So PBC is the exterior angle, and it is going to be common angle, means equal angle for all the exterior angle. Is 40 means here also it is going to be 40, and at C also it is going to be 40 degree. So this is the answer. The interior angle is 140. You write down, and second one is exterior angle is 40 degree. But very important, they didn't ask number of sides of this polygon, but you can find the number of sides of the polygon also. In this question only I'm just going through, they didn't ask, but I will explain because it may come in your exam. The third question is find the number of sides of this polygon. To find number of sides of the polygon, you can use this as the exterior angle rule, because we know that each exterior angle equals to 40 degree we know, but you know the formula of it. The formula to find each exterior angle is 360 degree divided by n. It's the each exterior angle formula. So just to shuffle this n here and 40 here. So it is going to be 360 divided by 40, that equals to number of sides. So if you continue it, you will come to know that 0, 0 get cancelled, 4 ones are, 4 nines are, so number of sides are here is 9. This is the formula to find the number of sides of this regular polygon. Or else, if you don't want to find using the exterior angle, you can find it by the interior angle also, because each interior angle going to be equals to n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. So n value we don't know. So each interior angle we know is 140. So it is n minus 2 into 180 divided by n we have. So this n you shift to the other side, it will be multiplied with 140. So 140n, that equals to this 180 multiply for both inside the value, that is n minus 2. So 180 into n is 180n, 180 into 2 is 360. So obviously this 180 is greater value. So for 140n you bring this side, bring the like terms on side, minus 360 you bring this side, it will become minus 360. On the right left hand side will become positive 360. 180n minus 140n, and it turns to be 40n, and it is similar as what we did here. So just if you calculate it, 360 by 40, that equals to n, because 40 I'm shifting to the other side, will divide. So if you calculate it, 0, 0 get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 nines are, so once again the n value goes to be 9, whichever one formula you apply to find the number of sides. They didn't ask in this question, but in exam it may come. Thank you.